Nick. Say fuck you in Morse code.
I am. She.
No, that you just.
No, this is
you,
fuck you.
No, you said I fuck fat
It
bitches.
becomes like this when he gets
Wrong.
angry.
Yeah, when I'm. Abbe chudhe.
Oh, I like this, yeah.
Hey, I need to get on my toes to record.
You look so cute, da.
Give me. I'll record it.
This is like so fun, dude. What the
It is
fuck?
fun, no? Yeah. Hey, we'll bring it to the classroom. Yeah,
Bro, I'm wearing it every
I'm
day.
wearing it on the.
Where do you buy this from, dude?
On the street.
You're actually cute, dude. What the fuck?
Oh! Shit! He's gone. Bye bye. Cutie pie. Cutie pie.
Noise.
Photo भेजना.
Advik.
Advik. Post.
Oh, he's so cute. Hey, cutie patootie. Say hi. Cutie patootie. Say hi.
What is this?
Yeah. That's like squeezing my testicles.
What? Put your flash on. Put your flash on.
Put my flash on.
Blind him?
That, okay, fine.
Put the flash on.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Close up.
He flashed him.
Dude, he had to carry me from there.
Let me wait.
Anna, run cake. Come.
Let me wait.
I left it down there.
No, it's here.
Big boy.
You're too old. Good boy. Who has my? All right. Wait. Hold up, everyone. Move aside. Tejas and Advik over here. Everyone else on that side. Come here. What? Oh yeah, Tejas and Advik, come here. Where's Advik? Come here. Tejas, come here. Rest everyone on the other side.
Okay, do not smash anyone into any cake.
Yeah, please, no, I want to eat this.
Can we smash
You can smash their cakes.
Can we smash it?
Yeah.
That's allowed.
There's a plastic spike in it, so be careful.
Hold up, just get the bottom out.
Candles.
No candles.
It's fine.
Matches are allowed.
Where's the
not allowed, no.
Okay, we want cakes.
Alright.
Oh, you brought like a GoPro.
Yeah.
Is that an actual phone?
What?
Is that the one where the lens changes?
No.
That's not the one.
That's GoPro Hero 13. This is better though. Alright guys, wait.
You don't have candles?
You'll still be in campus and it's not silent hours yet.
Alright. Oh, he has candles.
Thank you.
Hey, where's the knife?
I said I removed it in deputy hall.
Hey, no. Oh. Hey, happy birthday.
Alright.
It's the same thing.
Do you have like
It's mine.
Advik, where's the wife?
Cake
Where's the wife?
Cake wala.
Alright, ready?
We will be Advik's wife.
Oh, we?
Yeah.
When did he change religion?
Get the historic phone.
Let me fix my hair. Hey, look, as a person who's जिसकी गांड फटने वाली
Let
तो
me
बहुत
fix my
बचवा
hair.
दो मेरी।
Says Humpty Dumpty.
When Ronak
My
called
boy
me,
Shreyas.
I was literally
Boy Shreyas.
You were what?
I would have eaten the whole cake alone.
He's just waiting for the cake, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
What? I don't give a shit about it. We heard cake, we came. That's
You know, I left my dinner over there and came. I gave it to some other guy.
literally same.
Alright, boys.
Okay, listen.
Wait. Hold the knives.
Cups. There.
Give it to me.
Why not? It's fine. I got a good angle. Hold up. Yashu, come here. I'll get a full front angle.
You know what I'm trying to say.
No, it's alright.
Don't. Hey, those are $5 each, you moron. ₹5 का है, दे दो.
It's fine, dude.
Alright. Wait. Everyone, since we don't have candles, we'll just start singing on 3. Okay?
Or we'll keep
3.
watch and you will blow.
Wait, no.
Just turn off.
There is no candle.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, wait.
That's actually a good idea.
Oh, that's
actually the idea.
Yeah.
okay, fine.
Okay, come on. Start recording.
Make a wish.
No candle for me.
Bhagwan tujhe
Give him a candle.
Oh!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Happy birthday, dear Advik and Tejas. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Whoa! Feed me.
Hey, I'm supposed to feed you first. Come, give me one.
Yashu, my boy.
Oh, that's amazing. That's really good.
Tejas, happy birthday.
Guys, my name is Tejas. Feed it to me.
Advik, Advik, happy birthday.
हाथों से खिलाया
Happy birthday.
बेचारा थोड़ा जिंदगी में पहली बार
really
सांप
really
लगा है।
wish that you get the custody of your children back
Yeah.
and that your
This
wife
birthday, we hope for a better future.
yeah we hope for a better wife
future.
from you we hope for a better wife
And this night is when Advik declares these into men.
come on Advik, open up with us
Advik.
Open up.
you are a man aren't you
What? No.
yes you are
He is not into men, people.
Don't ruin his one
Advik. Advik.
I like this guy.
Advik.
I don't shut up
Be
dude.
very honest on camera. You enjoyed yesterday's ass beam, didn't you?
Yeah. My ass, no. My ass, no.
You did.
Smiling.
He's just enjoying his day look at him he's
He
cruising
just said he did, but his ass didn't. That's
Dude, a girl won't enjoy that either.
Yeah.
Okay, no one will enjoy that. You beat me up so many times and my ass is blue now, dude.
We need proof, man.
That's not a good thing. You idiot. Go get it checked.
Advik, you didn't feed me, bro.
very bad Advik
No, I want cake. I want cake.
Now you're supposed to
Hey,
kiss.
just for Navam, could I get a big ass piece?
No, now you kiss it before you feed it.
yeah you have to kiss it
You
like
gotta kiss it before you feed it.
make out with the cake and then give it to me
I don't even mind. I don't
Hey,
even
no,
Chew
what?
it up and spit it in.
yeah oh come on dude dude you choked like food
अब केक को काटेंगे निक enjoy that yeah
Yeah, I did.
yeah
Oh, it was amazing.
like
Very creamy.
कितने लोग हैं
dude like
hey we're just gonna fucking
yeah but like dude
what do it like this you're not gonna stab it
His lifelong dream of sticking it into something. Vicariously जीना चाहता है ये.
that's the worst
You had an opportunity for 3 days.
look hey all of you just take the chocolate bits
shut up you fucking divorced
Thank you.
Bro, I like this one more.
It's Theobrom. Theobrom's always the best.
okay Advik story
This
of
is
divorce
normal
Yeah,
cake
come
with
on.
that's chocolate
Sorry,
with
guys.
chocolate.
yeah
so when I was a kid
you got divorced
Advik was done.
yeah you got divorced
I was working hard. She was never there.
oh so sad hey were you a cuck or something
Baby, how are you doing?
can confirm
Okay. Since it's stages.
Actually, good cake.
Vishnu! Cake. He's here.
So he asked questions.
save a little
Hey, Vishnu, Ida.
You're 2 inches into stages.
Come,
Advik is
get
2
cake,
inches
get
into
cake.
you. What? Move forward or backward?
hey yo
What do you mean?
What did you
we
just
know
say?
you're into both of them what
Since the two birthday boys, if you're 2 inches into Tejas and Advik is 2 inches into you, do you move forward or backward?
I go backward. Power is a baby.
All his flabbers were gasted.
I'm back in vocabulary okay cake okay cake khichdi is done
Sahu?
just
Sanidhya.
Sahu
yeah take it whatever comes
who's Sanidhya
yeah just
Come to Toastmasters, you'll find out.
The only reason
you are advertising it even dude come on
I literally got vice president of membership role now, like today.
I should have come
I am
today.
the advertisement guy today.
dude I should have come
You should have.
I'll come
Today was
I'll
fun.
come on
imagine
you.
someone's dying and if you came to Toastmasters, you wouldn't.
I gave a speech about Tyler the Creator. You can probably stop recording since it's not my birthday.
Advik take this piece of chocolate for you
Every day is your day. Nick, what are you on about?
Today is not my birthday.
Advik chocolate for you come chocolate for you Advik
like we just take the piece
Let's take it.
okay
Actually,
come here
we need some cake on Tejas's face dude sure I would love that
don't rub it don't massage it don't
Tejas the amount of massages that you have given us you deserve this
The amount of rubs that you've given.
yeah exactly
I think that's. I want to give him a
now we get a razor and like shave him
Get up close. Come here, Tejas. Someone put a flash on his face. Flash on his face.
Sorry, one
Flash. Please flash him.
Hey, one second.
Bro, you're just wiping. I'm not your tissue paper.
अरे एक सेकंड उसका बर्थडे तेरा बर्थडे
Santa Claus has come to town.
दोनों का बर्थडे
Yes, जिंदगी जी. Thank you.
Santa Claus has just come.
No, it's more like it.
No, he's under decorated.
like proper.
He's under decorated
No, he's
now.
under
Get him. Come here. गाड़ी देना पड़ेगा. Come here.
एक सेकंड इसको ठीक करा
It's cold. That is severe.
इधर
अरे टीका कितना लग चुका है यार मुझे.
Advik.
अरे Wait, we need a photo. Wait, guys. Advik.
25th December.
Call him. You and Tejas, we need a photo of you guys together.
मेकिंग आउट कम ऑन
Make out.
Oh my god
Make out.
you're gonna lady in the front of the
Hold it.
You got it.
Eat it.
Come on.
But it'd be so cute if he has to kiss him. He'll get on his tippy toes like this.
Dude, he's finally getting some fame after such a long time.
What if it's hot? Okay, fine. Yeah.
I mean, agreed. Considering the lore, we definitely didn't.
Wait, everyone flash. Arey, Arav, you're not
What,
flashing.
everyone flash?
You're not flashing.
everybody flash out the
Flash.
Flash
the pizza
the pizza.
All right. Now flash the birthday boys. Tejas, come here.
Throw my flashlight.
Shivangi you come here you there why you standing over there
You get out. You're not the birthday boy.
Yeah, get out.
Shivangi get your ass here come on let them be
Oh, sorry, I was talking to him at the Sorry.
we are fucking hungry motherfuckers
Yeah, actually.
Have you seen yourself?
Put those things
You
here.
shouldn't be talking. You're supposed to.
Oh, good idea.
Everyone's ordering, so you can pass.
skipping dinner
Oh, okay, you're a skinny diva like that. Come walk for us. Chal, isme. I want you to stretch him out and have it.
yes sir
Shivangi, I'll be the pole, but you have to. We'll do the pole. I'm dead. It's sorted.
okay right left okay
Hey, Narun, come. Stop moaning. Oh, nice. It's done. Again? Ah, okay.
Tejas, straighten yourself with your abs, no?
Yeah, actually. Show the abs.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Flex your abs.
Flex your abs.
Straighten your legs as well.
No one saw that. Oh, we'll put him in the toilet, yeah.
my toilet is not clean I will clean it like that
Hey, Varun! Come help us. Varun! Hey, come. Varun!
Take his keys. No, he's room is not there.
Oh, okay, there's no room. Hold this. पकड़ो इसको.
Check his keys.
इसको पकड़ा. Take it. Give me a key.
It's not there.
It's here.
You felt something else. Jigar.
Open the room.
Yeah, I'm going opening the room. Okay. Don't worry about it. इसका भी.
Oh, happy birthday, bro. Lights. Camera.
Action.
Where's the music? I have a speaker.
Dude, you have an IKEA lamp in your. Huh?
That's a Walmart lamp.
Hey.
You have an AC room? Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's down the 12th floor.
The amount of shit he has. Have a look.
What the fuck is going on? Ooh. Yo. It is like a
What the fuck?
Oh no! Oh, I can't control. I can't.
He can't control. He's going to come. He's coming. Let's go.